Apollo.io versus Hunter.io. In this 2025 comparison, we'll find out which one is better, so make sure to like and subscribe. So let's compare them. Number one is their purpose. Apollo.io is a full sales engagement platform offering lead generation, email outreach, and CRM features, while Hunter.io is focused on email finding and verification. This is a more specialized tool. Number two is their features. Apollo.io includes a vast business-to-business database, built-in sequences, analytics, and dialer. On the other hand, Hunter.io offers double email verification and integrations with CRMs, but it lacks outreach automation. Number three, data accuracy. Apollo.io's database is regularly updated and also lets you add custom leads, while Hunter.io's email and verification ensures high deliverability, but it doesn't offer detailed company intelligence like Apollo does. Number four is their pricing. Apollo.io's free plan offers limited credits, with paid plans starting at $39 a month. And Hunter.io's free tier gives you 25 monthly searches, with paid tiers at $49 a month. Number 5, Best for. Apollo.io is best or suits sales teams who wants an all-in-one prospecting and outreach tool, while Hunter.io best for marketers and recruiters who just need accurate email address. So for final verdict, if you want complete sales automation, you can go for Apollo.io. And for Hunter.io, it's your focus is only on finding and verifying emails. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.